Hello, everyone, and welcome to the first of the Telly workshops for Fáilte Isteach tutors. As you probably know, my name's Brona. I lecture in applied linguistics in Trinity, and along with my colleague, Dr. Shadi Karasi, who's a learning technologist in DCU, we will be discussing various topics relating to technology enhanced language learning and integration over the coming weeks in this series of workshops. But right now, I just want to introduce you to workshop 1. So in this session, we will focus on using digital tools during and after the pandemic. And in this workshop, we will discuss your own experience of using digital tools during the COVID pandemic. For example, if you've been involved in online teaching, the types of tools you used and the challenges and the benefits of those resources. And also don't worry, if you haven't been involved in online teaching, that's absolutely fine. And we will also be very much gearing the workshops towards moving into the more face-to-face environment and the role of digital tools there. So in that regard, we'll be talking about the concept of blended learning and how we can use accessible digital tools after the pandemic in the face-to-face context and to support our learners with their ongoing English language learning. And we'll also introduce the concept of universal design for learning and how using digital tools can enhance inclusion and respond to the diversity of our learners. So in terms of the workshop 1 objectives, well, by the end of this workshop, you will be able to identify ways of using accessible digital tools in your current Fáilte Isteach classes, whether that's face-to-face or online, and to apply the principles of universal design for learning to your English language teaching. And every week, the workshops will be very lively. There'll be a lot of activities, hands-on stuff and discussions that we organise in the workshop session, but also resources that you can look at in between the sessions. So this week and every week, we'll be giving tips on using digital tools. So for example, websites and apps to support English language learning and intercultural understanding. And we'll also provide some short reflective activities with feedback as well. So we're really looking forward to meeting you in the workshops. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in workshop 1.